Hello friends, welcome back to the series on Python. In this video, we will learn about tuples in Python. Tuple is a collection of elements which is similar to list. The sequence of values stored in a tuple can be of any type and they are indexed by integers. Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. In Python, tuples are created by placing a sequence of values separated by comma inside a parenthesis. Let me show you how to create a tuple. So let's say I am taking the variable name as tuple and I am storing integer values inside parenthesis. It means that I am creating a tuple here. So in this way we can create a tuple, and in order to display this, just write the variable name as you can see here. Okay, so tuple is unchangeable in the sense we can't update or delete the elements in a tuple. However, we can access the elements of a tuple by making use of index. Let's say I want to access the element at index 5. I got 6. 6 is at index 5. Let's say I want to retrieve the element at index 2. We got 3. Let's say I want to display the middle elements of the tuple. Let's say I want to display from index 2 to 5. So I got the elements 3, 4, 5. And you can also display the elements in reverse order by making use of negative index. Okay, so it is going to display the last elements of the tuple. And if I use tuple of -2, so it is going to display the second last element of the tuple. Okay, so in this way we can access the elements of a tuple. Remember that we cannot perform any operations on the tuple because it is unchangeable. Okay, so this is very simple topic in Python. I hope you have understood this. Okay, so please put a comment if you have any doubts. Okay, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Coders Cabin. Thanks for watching.